This is an A+ video. This is an A+ video. This is an A+ video, guys. I have no idea what's going on, but this is an A+ video. I'm gonna owe myself for this one, but I don't think I owe myself anytime soon. This is an A+ video. Check this video on Aaron's Food Adventures. Subscribe, because I don't have enough subscribers. God, I owe you one. Somebody put a fire alarm at the hotel that I was staying at. This is messed up. And it's like 10 p.m. right now. This is the longest video that I ever done, and this is an A+ video. I haven't had any A+ videos lately. Check this video on Aaron's Food Adventure. Aaron's Food Adventure has never done this before. We have 2 fire trucks, a couple of police cars. This is really what's going on. I don't know if you guys can hear the fire alarm inside the hotel. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I think you guys can probably hear the fire alarm inside the hotel, and as soon as the door opens, we have a couple of police cars here. We got at least 2 or 3 fire trucks here. This is A+ video. The story is somebody was drunk and put the fire alarm by mistake. So this is why the police are here, and this is why the firefighters are here. That's okay, I lost a couple of hours of sleep. I don't really care. Check out this video on Aaron's Food Adventures. I probably need to do one for WeChat, but I want to only do this for Facebook and YouTube right now. Let's wait for the police to get him out.